What's going on, guys? In today's video, I want to show you exactly how I made $8,000 in 7 days online without having my own product. And I want to show you exactly how you could do this too and show you step by step so you can see if this is the right method for you to make money online. Now, as you can see on the screen, we have some earnings right here, and we'll get more into this in a second. But it's around about $8,000 in 1 week online. And then a few weeks back, we did $20,000 as well. I primarily make most of my money online, and then I take what I've learned and what I do and the mistakes, and I teach other people how to make money online as well. And just basically help you so you don't have to do as much homework, and to help you understand how to make money online. Now, this video kind of is a next part to a video that I did some time ago about how I made $45,000 in 3 days online as well with Clickbank and affiliate marketing. And what I'm going to do is show you how I made $8,000 in 7 days, and it's based off that strategy. Now, I do want to warn you that this did not happen overnight. It didn't happen instantly. I didn't just instantly make $8,000 in 7 days. There was some stuff that I did to get to that point over time, and I built it up over time to get to that point. And I'll show you exactly how I did it. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how I made this $8,000 and give you a bit of knowledge on how you can make money online. So this is my own personal case study, and I'm going to show you exactly how I made the money online. So make sure you subscribe and tap that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. I release videos every single week showing you how you can make money online. And don't forget to smash that like button as well, so all your friends get to see this video as well. Now, before we jump into this, I am doing a giveaway, as a lot of my subscribers already know. I'm going to put the winners from the last video up on the screen. Essentially, I put an emoji in every single video. Once you find that emoji, you comment down below what emoji it is, plus cash or course, and then I might pick you for the next video, and we give away some cash, or we give away access to one of our courses. If you don't know how to do it, just go in the comments. There'll be people doing it, and you'll see how you can do it. If you're on desktop, just type out the emoji. You don't have to actually do the symbol. So how does this actually work, and how can you go and make money from this without actually having your own product? Now, if you are subscribed to me, you might already know about this, but I just need to explain it for the new subscribers or the new people viewing this video. Essentially, what you do is you go online and you find a product to promote that you don't own. So you never created it. You don't have to do any of the support or anything like that. And I'll show you where to find those products. You send people to those products and you get a commission. So for example, with this product here, this is just a random product I found, you get $113 per sale. So the person that owns the product gets 50% and you get 50%. So you split the sale. Sometimes it can be 30, 40, even 70%. It's a really good way to make money online because you don't need your own product. It's called affiliate marketing, and you can focus just on pushing traffic to the product. And I love this method because it's really simple to do if you understand how to do it. Now, what we do is we use networks to find these products. These are pretty much the three top ones that I use. One is called Digistore24, one is called JVZoo, and one is called Clickbank. And we also actually use what we call a product aggregator that finds us the best top products that just been released in the market on these particular networks. Now, Clickbank is this website here. You simply go to clickbank.com, you sign up for an account, and once you log in, you're going to be taken to a page like this, and you can find products to promote in pretty much any niche. You find a product, you click promote, you click generate hop link, and you're going to get a link that you can send people to, and it's a tracking link. And anytime you make a sale, it'll show up in your account just like it has here. So these are the results here. We actually just made a sale right now. So 8,000, and then this is the 8,000, and you'll see last week we had a lot less, but I'll explain to you why in a second. But you'll see your results showing up here. And then to get paid, you go to the account settings options and you put in your payment, what method you want to get paid, and they send it to you. So how does this actually work? So a few weeks ago, or about a month ago, I did a video on how I made $45,000 on Clickbank in 3 days. I essentially sent out an email blast to people, and I made $40,000. I'll link that video below if you want to check that out. Now, what then happens is Basically, I went and found this product to promote, and I promoted it. And what happened then is they actually had a recurring monthly commission structure where some people bought a recurring commission structure from them, and I essentially get free money every single month as long as they're on that product. And that's where the extra $8,000 came from. So you see, 1 month later, I got those commissions without doing any work. The work that I did do, I promoted a month before. And so I get recurring commissions. Now, I don't get recurring commissions on every single sale, but I do get a bunch of recurring commissions. And that's how I made this $8,000. But how does this strategy actually work? So usually when you promote Clickbank products, usually you would go and create like a website and you would do a review on the product and people would go and search it and click the link. But that's quite a slow way of doing it. To make $40,000 in 3 days and $8,000 in 7 days, you need to go and use fast traffic. So you do not need a website or a blog post, I should say, to do this particular method. What you want to be doing, and this is the fastest way to do it, to build up, I mean, it's not fast at the start, but you can build it up and you scale it up over time, is to build a marketing funnel. Now, a marketing funnel can be used to promote your own products, affiliate marketing products. They all work the same. So it doesn't matter what you really promote. The concept of a funnel works the same across the entire board. So essentially what you want to do, this is the process that I use, and you can essentially model this, but this is the very basic standard way to make money online if you're trying to promote products, your own products or someone else's products. What you want to do is you want to give something away for free. So this is an example of one of my ads. You want to do Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. Now you don't need to show your face or anything. You can do a simple ad saying, here's a free book. You can create your own book or checklist related to the product that you're trying to sell. We can actually go to what they call PLR websites. Just go to Google and put in PLR websites. You can actually get free books to give away without doing any of the work. So the reason you want to use paid advertising is because it's quick to make money, and I'll explain to you how. So you want to give away something for free in an advert on Facebook, Google, or YouTube ads. And you want to actually go and collect an email. So you want to send people to a page to collect an email. Now you can actually use a program called GetResponse. There's lots of other ones. There's ClickFunnels, but that's quite expensive. You can use GetResponse. And what GetResponse is you can actually create funnels, you can create email marketing sequences, and you can do landing pages and funnels and everything, right? And I'll actually explain to you and show you how you can build one of these in a second, but I want to show you the concept first so you understand how this works. But you can use GetResponse. It's quite cheap to get this on a monthly plan, and you can build everything you need for an online business. So what you do, and you don't need to have a website. You don't need to actually go and buy a website. So what you do is you get an ad and you run it to a page where you collect an email, and you've probably heard of this before. What's important is understanding the numbers. So what you want to do is you want to basically put people into this form. Now I'll leave a video below on how to create these forms, like a full tutorial on that. It's not what this is about. This is the case study. Then people put the email in, and the email goes onto an email list, but you can actually redirect them to a product to sell. So let's say you go to Clickbank and you find a product for $100 to sell in a specific niche. It might be the make money online niche, for example. You would get $50. Now this is kind of called an upsell, I would guess, or a one-time offer. Now you don't want to have a one-time offer that's over $100. You want to have it below, because then you're going to get more sales. You really never want to put a high-priced product as a one-time offer. Now, this is really important, so make sure you listen to this very, very carefully. What to focus on here. This is where people, and they lose money and they don't really know how to do this. So at this part of the scale, your focus is to give away something for free, okay? At the ad level, give away something for free. At this level, your focus is to collect an email. Now, this is the important part. On this level right here, your main goal is to spend $1, for example, and make back $1. You don't have to be profitable at this point. In fact, you could even be losing a little bit of money. It doesn't matter. And you might be thinking, why? That's pointless. You're not making any profit. The reason is because all we need to do is make enough here that our leads are free, okay? I will spend hundreds of thousands of dollars all day long if I can. It's pretty hard to scale to that daily. But let's say I was going to spend $1,000 a day, right? And I was making back $1,000 a day. I'll do that all day long because I'm getting free leads. Now, what happens is if you can go and spend $1 on advertising and you can make back $1, you essentially build up a free email list. You might be thinking, what if you spend $1 and you only make back 50 cents? Let's say you're spending money and you're losing money. You're not making any profit. It's at this point. So you're spending a bunch of money here and you're sending them to a one-time offer, which is a Clickbank product, because you obviously don't have your own product. What do you do if you're losing money? It's simple. All you do is you go to your email marketing list and you can actually set up automatic emails that go out in a sequence. So if I go to get response here, this is my account and I go to menu and automation, I can set up a sequence of events. And I just got to keep adding more emails into it. So if we go to this one here and edit, this is one that's live right now. We started last year. People are going through this sequence of events. These are emails that I've added in. Once people give me their email, they go through these emails and I can move it around and I can kind of play around with it here. I'll leave a video on how you can build one of these out below. That's not what this video is about. But you'll see that I've got all of these emails. Well, it's pretty simple. All I need to do is add in more automatic emails until I make back my money. So for example, let's say we're spending 50 cents here. Oh, sorry, we're spending $1, we're making back 50 cents. So we're down, our return on investment is actually negative 0.5 or whatever, 0.05. All we need to do is add more emails in the automation backend and until we get our $1 back, until we break that even point again. Once we break that even point, any bulk emails we send out is completely profit, just free profit for us. So you need to focus on that break even point. That's really the most important part. Now, this is really the cream of the crop. You actually build up what we call free leads. So all of these leads here are free because I've paid for them and I've made back my money and I've promoted more products, but all you want to do is make back enough money so your leads are free. And we have people on our list that we've had on for 4 or 5 years and they still buy products from us. So as time goes on, you build up this huge database of people that you can then go and send an email to and make 40 grand maybe. That's what I've done. I've built this huge database of emails. Now what you can actually do is, all you need to do is create a simple form like this. If I go to get response here, I go to automation. Once you sign up an account or whatever one you want to use, I go to forms and surveys, I think. No, not that one. I think it's landing pages. And all I do is go create a landing page. And I can simply create a little page here. I'm just going to go select this template real quick. I'm going to name it. And I'm going to just go in. All I got to do is create this template, right? They give you the templates. You can edit them and play around with them. It's really cool. You can put your headline here. But I can just delete all of the stuff that I don't need. Because you'll see that my headlines are actually, there's a bunch more stuff. But you'll see that my ones are really, really simple. All I do is I go and create this so it's all linked up. You can, like I said, I got a video on how to create that. But all you do is you create this so it's all linked up, and then you essentially go to next step, and I'll continue without mobile version. That's fine. So it redirects to a Clickbank offer, and they also get put into your email list. Get response have like things on how to do that. So here you go. You choose your list. So you create a list that you put them in. And you direct them to a thank you page, but you probably do that on the beforehand, on the last one. So I'm going to go publish. And like I said, these guys have heaps of tutorials on this sort of stuff. This isn't what the video is about. But if I go to this link here, this is now a link that I can send people to or I can run ads to. And it's got, when people put their email address and their name, like I have here, I can then redirect them to a product or redirect them anywhere I want. And they also get added to the email list. and you can make money. But you've really got to focus on that spending. Like when I go down to here, so all I did is I already had a list, right? So I've already got people built up, and I don't want to hear you saying, oh, Frank, you've already got a list, it's why you make lots of money. I started with zero just like everybody else. I built up my list over time. So all you want to do is, all I did is I went to a website called muncheye.com, and you can find Clickbank products that are launching in the future, and they give away prize money and things like that. And you just click on it. This is called muncheye.com, and you go to the JV page, like the joint venture page. It tells you all the information. It tells you how much money you can make, and you can sign up, right? You can find products to promote. Now, because you've already paid for your leads, and you're getting free leads essentially, or you might be profitable, you might put up your little automation. You might think, hey, I've got 2,000 people on my list. I feel like making some money today. And that's literally all I did. I went and found a product on muncheye.com. I sent it to my list. I didn't have to do anything. All I did was send a few emails, and I made the $40,000 first, which is in another previous video on this channel. But then a month later, I got the recurring commissions as well, because that particular product had recurring commissions. Okay. And all I did was send it to a list that I built up over the months and years by running paid advertising. I got the leads for free because I made sure that I was spending $1 to make back $1 or more. And then essentially I have this list of people that I can promote products to whenever I want. Now, if you want to learn more about this, guys, I've decided to create a completely free training below. There's a link in the description. It will take you through a 3-day training series that explains to you exactly how this works, because obviously, this video is like 15 minutes long. I can't teach you everything in one video, but I can take you through this training and I can show you exactly how this works step by step. I'll break it down for you and I'll show you exactly how affiliate marketing works. So click the link in the description to find out more about that. It's completely free for you to watch those 3 videos. Now, if you don't want to do that, that's fine. I'll leave some videos up on the screen that are completely free for you to watch as well, and they will teach you affiliate marketing as well. And don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you on one of the videos on the right that are completely free and show you how to do affiliate marketing online and show you how to make money and start your own business.